morning, Vicky here with you, and I'm here for another Above Parr Craft design team type of setting. Basically, I love those little bags that Stephanie has, and she has many, and these are just a few of the examples of the bags. You've got this in all kinds of colors, so blue, there's a yellow, there's a pink, there's all kinds of different ones. There's beautiful damask type of thing, there's the glassine ones, and the plain brown ones. They're just awesome, really. So I wanted to share with you ideas on how to use them, because sometimes I'm making a journal right now, and here are the size. I was going to put it upside down, by the way, that page. Here is the size of the page. So obviously putting this would be barely fitting, and it would, you know, use up the whole thing. So one of the ideas that I came about was to use it this way. And when you do this, then you could sew around the edge and have a pocket here and a pocket there. Obviously, when you come to the back, if you leave it this way, it's closed and there's nothing you can do. So one of the things that I thought about is using this. I always had, when I started doing crafting and such, I had a bunch of the scallop scissors, and I've kept them because, you know, I had them, but they're not something I use very often. And I think I'm going to use that one. That's not the one I was looking for, but it's going to do the job. So I kept them, and I've got a bunch of different ones, so I thought I would share with you how to do this. And one of the things too that I would do here is make a little notch kind of in the middle of it, and hopefully do a good job. But no, it's okay because I've got those scissors, just so that it's easier to pick up whatever's inside it. So here we go. So this way, not only do I have a pocket on the other side, but I also have pockets on this side as well to put some ephemera. Now, another way that you could use it is obviously as a middle signature. And same thing again, you would want to cut the edge. So you could use your regular scissors, but I just think that using this makes it more fun. And it looks like it was meant to be this way. So you could use this in the middle of your signature, or you could also use it on the side here like this, and then you've got different pockets as well. You could also put it on the bottom like this. There's all sorts of ways that you can use this. So I was thinking that we could be making the other ones, just because it's obviously not going to take very long at all. This is obviously not working too well, so I think I will just cut a little hole myself and consider that done. So basically just fold it, and then you just have fun. And the way I use the scissors is I realign the little teeth, and that's how I'm able to match the design so that it fits. So here we go. I think that one would have worked with this little punch, because this is more paper. Or maybe not. I guess it doesn't like that. I wonder if I would have had more luck with this one, because this obviously is not working too good for me. So that's another one. So we've done this, we've done this. So let's use this one this time around. And so just like that, you've made a few pockets in your bags, out of your bags. and you've made it a lot easier to use them in your journals, because otherwise you only have one pocket. Now I'm just realizing that most of them are fine, but this one, this glassine one, oh no, it's fine. I thought it was glued, but no, it's not. It was just the edge here that looked like it was glued. Okay, and we've got one last pair of scissors, and I think it's a nice one for this bag. So it gives me the opportunity to use something that otherwise I definitely do not use enough. And I hope it gives you some inspiration. Go and check out Above Parr Crafts for her wonderful bags. And you can use the discount code that's down in the description box below. And that is it for now. Bye everyone. Have fun.